Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making a tutorial about Stalker 2, and in this video I'm going to show you how actually I got a copy of the game guys for free. So if you want to learn how to do this on your own, then watch the video until the end guys. I'm going to explain all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it how to do it also you on your own, and it works for any platform guys. So I just need to turn the camera on their side and to start this tutorial by showing the steps that you need to follow. So as you can see guys, I have here right in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're gonna need it in order to get a copy of the game for free. So basically, it doesn't matter the device you are using. It can be Android. If you have Android, it's totally fine. I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use, but if you have Android, it's totally fine because the steps are going to be the same, okay? So basically, we're going to get a game code, guys, which you can redeem after a copy of the game for free in any platform that you are playing. So I'm going to demonstrate to you that how to do it this. Step by step so you can learn it how to do it. Okay, so basically me, I got it my code by SMS. I'm going to share with you right now. It's a one-time use code. I already did it guys, so if you want to copy, it will not work. You need to to get a new one. So it says congratulations, task has been completed successfully. This is the game code, one-time use. This is your Stalker to Heart of Chernobyl game code from Whiskey Coupon. So basically I went to this site guys, which I'm going to show you also the rest of the steps. Inside you have a lot of other things you can check later if you're interested. I'm just going to search in the searching bar not to make the video too long. And down below you have platforms here, Xbox and PC. So basically you need to choose which platform you're playing. For the both platforms the steps are the same. So I'm just going to continue with the Xbox and unlock the code. So basically you just need to wait until the end guys that the whole process will get completed. And it's going to redirect you to another page and is required to complete a little task in order to unlock the code. It's very simple to do. You just need to read the instructions guys. Anyway, I'm going to share to you the steps how to do it there. So basically in the description it says download the complete apps, two apps below in order to unlock Stalker to Heart of Chernobyl game codes, and after completing the task enter your phone number, email above. So basically me, I put my phone number here because I got by SMS. If you want, you can put your email. This is on your own choice guys, how do you want to do it. Okay, so before you do that guys, you have down below this list of the apps which you need to choose two of these two apps guys to complete it as a task. As you can see, all of them there for free. You don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are gonna show to you. They are from App Store, Play Store, so they are from official stores. You don't have to do anything outside official stores. So choose two apps guys. And one thing you need to keep in mind, for example, if you have already TikTok on your device, then you should not do TikTok guys, because they are required to be new user only for the old apps. So if one of the apps you choose to do it, make sure you are a new user for them. Okay, so me, I did Travel Town and Fliff Sports. I didn't have none of these apps before. I tried Fliff because it was a very simple task, and Travel Town, it was a game. It didn't took me too long. So basically how it works, you just press on it and then you have information again, tap to install. It's going to redirect to App Store because I'm using iPhone. If you have Android, it's going to redirect you to Play Store. And this app was required as a task just to download the app and to open it. So I just downloaded, I just opened it, I stayed inside for 20-30 seconds, and that's it guys. And as you can see here, I did the second one, which is Travel Town, and then I came back, I did Travel Town. So press on it, tap to install again, continue the rest of the steps. I played the game till to level number 9 and came back over here. I put my phone number and I just submitted, and a couple of minutes after they just brought me the text guys with a code. So basically this is it guys. I hope you enjoy the game, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you with everything you need. Okay, see you in the next videos guys. Cheers.